Framing arched or angled window openings is all about making sure those unique shapes stay strong and look perfect when you're done. So, first up, you want to create a curve header for the arch. That means bending or cutting your header to match the arch's shape so it supports the weight properly. Use a plywood template to get that curve just right before cutting anything else. For angled windows, cut your studs to fit the exact angle, no guessing, measure twice, cut once, double up the jambs around the window opening to give extra strength and keep everything steady. Don't forget to add blocking under the arch to support the curve and keep it from sagging over time. When nailing everything together, use longer nails or screws for better hold, since the angles can put extra pressure on the frame. Finally, check the fit constantly as you go, so you don't have to redo anything later. One of the biggest mistakes people make is using a straight header for an arched window. It just won't support the curve properly and can cause sagging or cracks. Fix that by always making a curved header with a template. Another common issue is not cutting studs accurately for angled openings, which leads to gaps or crooked frames. Measure carefully and cut precisely to avoid this. A third problem is skimping on jamb reinforcement. If you don't double them up, the frame can flex or fail, so make sure to use doubled jambs for durability. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff with framing and other home projects. Plus, it's a great way for contractors to connect with people who need their skills and get steady work without all the hassle.